In Arvind Kejriwal's New Delhi constituency, application to delete names of 5,000 voters have been filed in the last 15 days. Meanwhile, application to add names of 7,500 voters have also been filed. This is what Delhi's former Chief Minister and Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal has alleged. Hours later, a similar claim was made by another Aam Aadmi Party leader. Sanjay Singh claimed that BJP is trying to omit his wife's name from the voters list in Delhi. What is the matter? What is Aam Aadmi Party leaders alleging? Let's dive deeper to understand. With elections in the national capital approaching, a political blame game has erupted. The ruling Aam Aadmi Party has accused the BJP of tampering with the voters list ahead of the elections. The allegations were made by Arvind Kejriwal himself. Arvind Kejriwal stated that the act of tampering with the voters list was part of an operation, which he termed as Operation Lotus. Kejriwal alleged that the BJP has been manipulating voters' lists since December 15th to sway the upcoming elections. He further accused the Saffron Party of manipulating 12% of the voters in his constituency. Let's first listen to what Kejriwal had to say.
कुछ बचा ही नहीं, खेल हो रहा है इस देश के अंदर चुनाव के नाम पे। 15 दिन में इन्होंने लगभग 5,000 एप्लीकेशन डिलीशन की डाली और लगभग 7,500 एप्लीकेशन इन्होंने एडिशन की डाली है। और मेरी विधानसभा में टोटल वोट 1,06,000 हैं। 1,06,000 में से लगभग 5% वोट ये डिलीट करवा रहे हैं, 7.5% वोट ये ऐड करवा रहे हैं।
Kejriwal stated that the same tactics were also used in Haryana and Maharashtra assembly elections. Just to recap, the Maharashtra assembly election results were announced on 23rd of November, and the ruling Mahayuti alliance, which is led by BJP, won a landslide victory, winning 235 seats in total. Diving deeper into his allegations, Kejriwal claimed that the BJP submitted 11,000 applications to delete voters in a single constituency. However, he said the Chief Election Commissioner's intervention prevented the move. Arvind Kejriwal was not the only leader to make these allegations. Aam Aadmi Party leader Sanjay Singh claimed that 2 applications were filed on 25th of December and then on 26th of December, which aimed to delete his wife's name from the voters list of the New Delhi seat. The New Delhi seat is represented by Arvind Kejriwal himself. Now, Sanjay Singh claimed that BJP was targeting him because he raised the issue about the names of Purvanchali voters being deleted from the list in the national capital in the Rajya Sabha.
कि नई दिल्ली विधानसभा क्षेत्र में जहां के विधायक श्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी हैं, वहां पर हमारी पत्नी अनीता सिंह जी का नाम कटवाने के लिए, हमारी पत्नी अनीता सिंह जी जौनपुर की रहने वाली हैं, ये भी पूर्वांचल से हैं। मैंने पूर्वांचल का मुद्दा उठाया, यूपी बिहार के लोगों का मुद्दा उठाया, तो अब इस बात पे लग गया कि इनको ही सबक सिखाओ, इनकी पत्नी का ही वोट कटवा दो, तब इनको अकल आएगी। इस तरह से तो दिल्ली के अंदर चुनावी घोटाला मत करो भाजपाइयों, सबके वोट कटवा के चुनाव जीतना चाहते हो।
On the other hand, the BJP has alleged that names of Rohingyas and Bangladeshi people were added to the voters list at AAP's behest. It has also accused the ruling party of helping illegal immigrants with documents. Kejriwal called the move a threat to democracy, urging the Election Commission to maintain strict vigilance to prevent such actions. In fact, on December 29th, Arvind Kejriwal wrote a letter to District Election Officer highlighting a sharp increase in voter addition and deletion applications in the New Delhi Assembly constituency in recent days. Soon after the allegations surfaced, the Election Commission put out a clarification. In response to these allegations, the Election Commission clarified that block-level officers conducted ground checks and removed the names of deceased individuals, those who had moved and those with multiple entries on the roll. Meanwhile, as we speak, the BJP has not yet responded to the allegations leveled by the former Chief Minister.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.